Welcome. I'm so glad to be with you in this moment of stress, knowing that you might be feeling slightly overwhelmed, maybe some pressure. You might even be noticing some tension and tightness in your body and even in the mind. And so I invite you to simply surrender to the power of the breath. And we'll start by establishing a sense of groundedness, placing your hands downward on your thighs, and with intention, really firmly planting your feet into the ground, feeling rooted, supported, grounded. And take a few deep breaths in, very slowly, very deliberately, breathing in an intention to allow the breath to cleanse your mind, to nourish your heart, and to liberate your body. On your next exhale, breathing out through the mouth, releasing and truly letting go. Taking another deep breath in, the deepest, most delicious breath you've taken all day. With intention, simply letting go, releasing and relaxing into the breath. In this next moment, I invite you to scan your body, starting at the legs, moving your attention to your knees, up through your thighs, and into your seat. On your next exhale, releasing any tension that might be there. Bringing your attention now to your shoulders, where we tend to feel like the weight of the world is resting on our shoulders, and so bring them up to the ears, allowing them to roll gently. And as you do that, exhaling through the mouth, allowing that stress to simply melt away. Continuing to breathe deeply, inhaling into your chest, into the belly, and exhaling slowly, gently through the mouth. Release. Opening the jaw and simply letting go, releasing and relaxing. Continuing once more, breathing deeply on the inhale. On your next exhale, allowing that breath to cleanse your mind, to nourish your heart, and to liberate your body. Releasing, letting go of any tension you might be holding. A deep surrender on the exhale, letting it go through the mouth, releasing and relaxing. remembering the power of this life force, that with each exhale, you can let go, you can release, you can relax. Namaste.